What if I told you that in 2026, receiving a salary raise could be the key to building long-term financial security without the stress of overspending? While many may feel tempted to upgrade their lifestyle immediately, financial experts suggest that this extra income is best used to bolster your future rather than succumb to lifestyle creep. So, how can you use your raise in the most effective way? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 smart money moves you should make after getting a salary raise in 2026. These moves will set you on a path to financial independence, security, and peace of mind. 1. Automate and increase savings rate. When you receive a salary raise, the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle is real. New clothes, a better car, or a nicer apartment may seem like the obvious choices for that extra cash. However, one of the smartest moves you can make is to automate your increased savings rate. This simple change ensures that a portion of your raise goes directly into savings without any effort on your part. The key here is the pay yourself first strategy, where you prioritize saving before you have a chance to spend. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a high-yield savings account, HYSA, or an investment fund, you ensure that the money you earn works for you, instead of being absorbed by daily expenses. This is where consistency matters most. The goal is to maintain your current lifestyle. Don't start spending the extra money as soon as it hits your bank account. Instead, live as though you never received a raise and save a portion of it. Experts recommend at least 20%. Consider using high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit CDs, which provide competitive interest rates projected to remain attractive throughout 2026. The beauty of automating savings is that it happens without you having to think about it, ensuring long-term financial growth. Moreover, the real power of automation lies in the fact that it removes the emotional aspect of saving. When you automate your savings, you're not subject to the temptation of spending just a little bit more on unnecessary items. Over time, these small automatic contributions will add up significantly, creating a financial cushion that can serve you in times of need or in pursuit of bigger goals, like buying a home, traveling, or securing retirement. Setting and forgetting your savings ensures that you're consistently building wealth without even realizing it. Whether you're saving for short-term goals or long-term retirement, automation keeps you disciplined and your financial goals on track. The discipline to save is a key part of achieving lasting financial success, and automating that process means you can set it and forget it, knowing that your money is working hard for you while you focus on your everyday life. 2. Maximize retirement and tax-advantaged contributions. A salary raise provides an excellent opportunity to focus on your retirement planning. In 2026, it's vital to ensure that you're making the most of retirement accounts and tax-advantaged opportunities. One of the first steps you should take is contributing enough to your 401k plan to capture the full employer match. This is essentially free money that you shouldn't miss out on. Many employers match a percentage of your contributions, and if you're not contributing enough, you're leaving money on the table. If your employer offers a match and your raise makes it feasible, now is the time to ensure that you're contributing enough to maximize that benefit. For 2026, the contribution limit for 401k plans is projected to be $24,500 for employees under 50 and $32,500 for employees 50 or older. If you haven't been contributing to your 401k up to the limit, now is the time to increase your deferrals. The extra income from your raise should help you reach this goal. By contributing more, you're not only taking advantage of your employer's match, but also boosting your retirement savings for a more comfortable future. Additionally, if you're eligible for a health savings account, HSA, consider contributing the maximum for 2026 for $1,400 for individuals and $8,750 for families. An HSA offers triple tax advantages. Contributions are tax deductible, growth is tax-free, and withdrawals for medical expenses are also tax-free. This makes HSAs a great tool to reduce your taxable income while planning for medical expenses in retirement. By taking full advantage of these tax advantage accounts, you can create a more secure financial future while reducing your tax burden in 2026. The more you contribute now, the better prepared you'll be when it's time to retire. 3. Aggressively eliminate high-interest debt. Another critical financial move after receiving a raise is to aggressively pay down high-interest debt. High-interest debts, such as credit card balances or personal loans, can be a significant drag on your finances. Interest rates on such debts can range from 21% to 25% in 2026, making it essential to prioritize eliminating them. The best way to tackle high-interest debt is by using the debt avalanche method. This strategy involves focusing on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, saving you the most money in the long term. For example, if you have credit card debt at a 25% interest rate, it makes sense to pay that off before moving on to other lower interest debts. This method helps minimize the total interest you'll pay, making it the most cost-effective approach. If your credit score allows, consider consolidating your high-interest debts into a lower-interest loan or taking advantage of a 0% interest balance transfer offer. This move can help simplify your debt repayment process and potentially save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars in interest over time. It also makes managing payments much easier, reducing the likelihood of missing any. By aggressively tackling your debt, you not only free up more cash for savings and investments, but also reduce your financial stress. The quicker you pay off high-interest debt, the faster you can achieve financial freedom and begin focusing on long-term wealth building. 4. Fortify your emergency fund. While it's essential to focus on growth through savings and investments, an emergency fund is a financial safety net that shouldn't be overlooked. In 2026, having an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months' worth of essential expenses is crucial for financial security. If you don't already have one, now is the perfect time to start building it. When determining how large your emergency fund should be, consider any changes in your lifestyle that may have occurred due to your raise, such as buying a new home or car. These changes often come with higher monthly obligations, which means you may need to adjust the size of your emergency fund to match your new expenses. Ideally, this fund should be stored in a high-yield savings account, HYSA, to ensure it's accessible when needed but separate from your day-to-day spending money. Having a robust emergency fund gives you peace of mind, knowing that you can weather unexpected financial storms, such as job loss, medical emergencies, or car repairs, without falling into debt. The key is to consistently add to this fund, making sure it's large enough to cover your essential living expenses for a few months. 5. Audit and rebalance your financial portfolio. Finally, a salary raise is a great opportunity to audit and rebalance your financial portfolio. This includes reviewing your current investments, insurance policies, and recurring expenses. Begin by looking at your subscriptions. Many of us have digital subscriptions or services that we no longer use. Taking a moment to cancel and use memberships or duplicate apps can free up extra funds for more meaningful financial goals. Additionally, use some of your raise to shop around for better rates on your insurance. Auto, home, and health insurance providers often offer competitive quotes that could save you hundreds of dollars annually. This is the perfect time to review your policy and make adjustments to ensure that you're getting the best value. Also, ensure that your investment portfolio is aligned with your current financial goals and risk tolerance. Over time, market shifts may cause your asset allocation to drift, so it's important to review your portfolio regularly to make sure it's on track. Rebalancing ensures that your investments continue to support your long-term objectives, whether that's saving for retirement, building wealth, or other financial goals. There you have it, the top 5 smart money moves you can make after getting a salary raise in 2026. From automating your increased savings to maximizing retirement contributions, these strategies are designed to strengthen your financial foundation and help you achieve long-term financial success. By implementing these steps, you'll secure your financial future and ensure that every dollar you earn works for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. Let me know in the comments which money move you'll be making first, and I'll see you in the next video.